Hello guys, I'm in Master Tech channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem 0xc000007b. This problem occurs in Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10. When you click on any applications or when you play a heavy games like GTA 5 or something else, so these problems occur. So in this video I will show you different methods to fix this issue and it will work properly. First of all, go to the browser and download DirectX. Here you can write DirectX in a search bar. You can see Microsoft website here. So download DirectX from Microsoft website. You can see the download button here you can download DirectX from here, and I will also give you the link in the description below. You can also download it from here. Second, after that, you can download the latest .NET framework. Type .NET framework in a search bar and download the latest .NET framework. Here you can see the download .NET framework latest version 4.7.2. I will also give you the link in the description. You can download it from here. The second method is that this problem is also due to the missing of some DLL files. So here you can download DLL files from the description below. I will give you the link. And now paste these DLL files after downloading. Paste these DLL files in the application folder or any application which have the same problem. Thank you guys. Hope you can solve your problem, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks.